Good morning friends. Today I am going to solve the problems which are based upon the gradient, divergence and curl of a vector field. So these are the very important for the class 12, for BSc level, for MSc level, and at the same time any type of competitive exams. Number of times the problems are asking about what, find out the gradient, find out the divergence, find out the curl of a vector field. So first of all we have to differentiate what is gradient, what is divergence. Okay, so first of all we will talk about a little bit definitions. There is a little bit definitions of this one, and after that we will solve the problems based upon this one. Here, gradient is a differential operator by means of which we can associate a vector field. So when the del operator is operating on a scalar field, it gives a vector field. You have to remember this one. Let phi x comma y comma z be a scalar function of position of a scalar point of coordinates x, y, z. If you do the partial differentiation or partial derivative of phi with respect to x, y, z, we will get dou phi by dou x, dou phi by dou y, dou phi by dou z. So then the gradient of the scalar field is defined as grad phi is equal to I dou phi by dou x, j dou phi by dou x, y plus k dou phi by dou z. And that can be written as, this is the operator del phi and its value is I dou by dou x, j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. This is the value of del. So just I wrote this one. Del is pronunciation like this, del, and that is equal to I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. So there is a one problem is there based upon the gradient of a vector field. Here let us if s is equal to s of x comma y comma z is equal to x square minus x square y plus x y square z square. Find the grad s at points 2, -1 and -3. So for this, first of all we have to find out the grad s. Grad s or can be written as del s is equal to I dou s by dou x plus j dou s by dou y plus k dou s by dou z. And that can be written as, if you separate the del operator and s, and after that we have to substitute the value of s. I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z, and the s value is given in the question, x square minus x square y plus x square y square z square. Next we have to differentiate with respect to x, y, z. So first of all we have to differentiate this whole function to the x only, that is dou by I dou by dou x with respect to this total whole function. So that can be written as, here x square means 2x and x square y means minus 2x y, and this is x square y square z square. So that can be written as y square z square. So like this, if you differentiate separately for each and every with respect to each and every term, so we will get an equation, and in that equation we have to substitute the values of x, y, z. So already in the question it is given that the grad s at point we have to find out 2, -1, -3. So that's why del s at point is equal to 2, -1, -3 can be just substitute the value of this one x, y, z. Then we will get del s or grad s is equal to 79 minus 32j minus 12k. Now what is divergence? Here divergence is nothing but it's a vector field at any point is defined as the amount of flux per unit volume diverging from that point is called the divergence, and mathematically that can be written as del dot A. Here remember this one, in divergence we are taking vector, and in the previous section in gradients we have taken scalar field. Okay, so you have to remember this is the difference between the divergence and gradient. So here a little bit explanation is there. Let A be the vector function differentiable at each point x, y, z in the region of a space. Then the divergence of A is can be written as here. So div A is equal to del dot A can be written as del value is dou by dou xi plus dou by dou yj plus dou by dou zk. So and A can be written as his axi plus ayj plus azk. So we know that when you dot multiply or dot product of I dot I, j dot j, k dot k is 1. So that's why del dot a or div a can be written as here dou ax by dou x plus dou ay by dou y plus dou az by dou z. So this is about the divergence of a vector field. Now the problem which are based upon this divergence, here one problem is there. If r is the position vector of a point, then show that div r is equal to 3. This is a bit, and del brackets r dot a is equal to a. So we know that the position vector we can write xi plus yj plus zk, and r square can be written as r square plus y square plus z square. So we know that I square, y square and z square is equal to 1. Now, so question is given div r is equal to 3. So div r is nothing but a position vector. So just we are taking the position vector values xi plus yj plus zk, and this is the del operator. So when you multiply this one, then we will get, so I dot I, j dot j, k dot k is equal to 1. So we will get dou x by dou x plus dou y by dou y plus dou z by dou z. So this is nothing but a 1 plus 1 plus 1, and that is equal to the 3. So we got del dot r is equal to 3. So like this, one more problem is there here. Del dot r dot a is equal to a. So del dot r dot, first of all we are going to find out the value of r dot a. R is nothing but a position vector xi plus yj plus zk, and a is, we can write axi plus ayj plus azk. So that is dot product of these two can be written as xax plus yay plus zaz. So now after that we are going to apply the divergence to this one. So div r dot a can be written as del value is this one, and already r dot a we got this value xax, so plus yay plus zaz. So next when you dot product of these two can be given as dou x ax I plus dou y ay j plus dou y dou z az k. Then we will get dou x get cancel, axi plus ayj plus azk or is equal to the a. So like this, here we prove that del dot r dot a is equal to the a. Now what is curl? The curl of a vector field is defined as the maximum line integral of the vector per unit area. So we all of you know this definition. So how to do the problem based upon this one? If a is a vector function differentiable at each point x, y, z in a region of space, then the curl of a expressed by the cross product of del and a. So curl a can be find out with the help of determination, that is curl a is equal to del cross a, and that can be written as ijk dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, ax, ay, az, a values. So there is one problem is there based upon this. Here if a is equal to yi plus x square y square j plus yz plus zx k, then find the curl a at point 2, 2, minus 1. So curl means we can write del cross a, and that can be written as ijk dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and a value is already given in this. First yi plus x square yz plus zx. So this is y x square plus y square yz plus zx. Now we have to take the determinant of this given matrix. So when you take the determinant of this matrix, so we get I z minus 0 minus j z minus 0 plus k 2x minus 1. Then curl a can be written as zi plus zj plus 2x minus k, minus 1 into k. Here again the equation it is given curl a at point 2, 2, minus 1. So that's why here the 2, 2, minus 2, here just simply we are substituting the values of x, y, z in the above equation. Then we will get the curl a will be equal to the minus 2i plus 2j plus 3k. So in totally we have to remember, or in this what gradient means here, del operator is uh, dot product of del operator with the scalar, and divergence means a dot product of del operator with a vector, and curl is can be written as, here it's a cross product of del with vector. So if you remember this problem, if you remember these 3 points, you can easily solve any type of problems. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe my channel Physics.